Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called CourseCREEK. I have the honor of working with a team of world-class specialists that do everything for e-learning and LMS systems. This composition is, can I integrate my existing platforms to a learning management system? Well, the answer is yes, you can. And there's several ways to do that. We can write web hooks. A lot of learning management systems have written APIs that make integrations seamless. And we also have services like Zapier, where we can do calls between the two platforms to make everything work together. But here's the trick, here's the challenge, is you gotta have somebody that knows how to do that. You need somebody that knows what APIs are, can hook them up, can work inside Zapier, and can do webhooks. That's not easy to find. But systems can be integrated together, and we do it all the time. If you're interested to learn more and you need some help, give us a ring. Thanks.